In Milton, homeowners take pride in maintaining properties that are both comfortable and energy efficient. However, one area that often gets overlooked until it becomes a problem is the windows. Over time, age, weather exposure, and general wear can lead to window issues that affect everything from comfort to energy bills. If you've noticed drafts, rising utility costs, or difficulty opening your windows, it might be time to consider a window replacement. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common window problems in Milton homes, and how modern replacement windows can solve them for good. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common complaints from Milton homeowners is the presence of drafts. If you feel cool air seeping in around your windows during the winter or warm air sneaking in during the summer, your windows likely have compromised seals or gaps in their frames. These leaks don't just make your home uncomfortable, they force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which increases your energy bills. How replacement helps. Modern replacement windows feature advanced weather stripping, insulated frames, and double or triple pane glass that seal tightly to prevent air infiltration. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, eliminating drafts and creating consistent indoor temperatures year-round. The result is a more energy-efficient, comfortable home. Condensation and moisture build up. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of glass, it's a sign that the window seal has failed. This allows moisture to get trapped inside, leading to foggy or streaked glass. Not only does this obstruct your view, but it also indicates that your window is no longer insulating properly. Moisture issues can also lead to mold growth, frame rot, or water damage around the window opening, especially during Milton's humid months. How replacement helps. New energy-efficient windows use argon or krypton gas fills and low-E coatings to minimize condensation and prevent moisture intrusion. Their advanced sealing technology maintains clarity and insulation for decades, keeping your home dry, clear, and comfortable. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are hard to open, close, or lock aren't just frustrating, they can be a safety hazard. This issue often stems from warped frames, damaged tracks, or swelling caused by moisture and temperature changes. In older Milton homes, wooden frames are particularly prone to this problem as they expand and contract with the seasons. How replacement helps. Replacement windows are designed with smooth glide mechanisms and durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that resist warping and sticking. You'll enjoy easy operation, secure locking, and improved ventilation throughout your home. Rising energy bills. If your energy bills seem higher than they should be, your old windows might be to blame. Single-pane or poorly insulated windows allow significant heat transfer, meaning warm air escapes in winter and enters during summer. Milton's seasonal temperature shifts make energy efficiency especially important for maintaining comfort without overworking your HVAC system. How replacement helps. Energy-efficient replacement windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and thermal insulation reduce heat loss and solar gain. Many homeowners notice a significant drop in heating and cooling costs almost immediately after upgrading. Over time, the energy savings can even offset the cost of installation. Outdated appearance. Old or damaged windows can make your home look dated, dull, or poorly maintained. Peeling paint, foggy glass, or warped frames detract from curb appeal and can even lower your home's value. How replacement helps. Modern replacement windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement any architectural design, from classic New England charm to sleek, contemporary aesthetics. Options like bay, bow, or picture windows can completely transform your home's exterior while adding natural light indoors. Upgrading to new windows not only improves performance but also enhances your home's overall beauty and resale potential. Outside noise disturbances. If outside noise from traffic, construction, or neighbors disrupts your peace and quiet, your old windows might not be providing adequate sound insulation. How replacement helps. Newer window models use multi-pane glass and sound dampening insulation to block unwanted noise, creating a quieter, more serene living environment, something every Milton homeowner can appreciate. Final thoughts: from drafts and foggy glass to high energy bills and poor aesthetics, old windows can cause a range of problems for Milton homeowners. The good news is that modern replacement windows offer a lasting solution, combining energy efficiency, durability, and beauty in one upgrade. With professional installation and high-quality materials, you'll not only eliminate these common issues but also enjoy a more comfortable, stylish, and cost-effective home for years to come.